Okay, so here's my first box from Purple Carrot. I went ahead and opened up the box beforehand since I had to use a knife. Looks like this is what I'll be having. Sweet and sour noodles, trick or treat tacos, walnut crusted cauliflower steak, and it's all in this wrapping here. Alright, so it looks like everything is nicely packaged in here. Purple Carrot is all vegan. So got the rice noodles, scallions, everything seems to be nicely labeled. Here we've got our Brussels sprouts. They look fresh. They appear to be pretty fresh. Good. Here are the carrots. I'm sorry, pumpkin. This is pumpkin. It's already cut up for us, which is nice. You can definitely see how this can save you a lot of time. Here's the trick or treat taco stuff, all nicely put in there. 2 servings. Walnut crusted. This must be for the cauliflower stuff. Edamame, just enough for 2 people. Pineapple, I'm not sure what the pineapple's for. But I'm sure it all kind of explains it too. This just kind of sitting on the side here. Here's our cauliflower. I'm not really sure what this is for. It's my first time ever ordering from Purple Carrot. I was listening to NPR and I heard a advertisement for it. Oh, this must be the rice, maybe? Yeah, looks like it. Flour tortillas. You get a good amount of flour tortillas. That's cool. So I heard a advertisement for it for $30 off, so I went ahead and took a try. Seems to be pretty good so far. I look forward to making our first meal.